Tell me a little about yourself. Nasagi maramda karigumba khara hayu. What are your strengths? Nangi pangal oibasingdu kari karino. What are your weaknesses? Nangi asonbasingdu kari karino. What do you want to be doing 5 years from now? Haujiktagi sahi mangagi matungda nang kari tauningi. What does success mean to you? Mai pakpa haibasi nangonda karino. What does failure mean to you? Mai tiba haibasi nangonda karino. How do you make important decisions? Nangna maru oiba phirepsing natraga warepsing karamna laubage. Why should I hire you? Nangbu aina karigi nektoino. Tell me about a time you made a good decision. Nangna afaba warep natraga phirep laukibagi matang amagi maramda hayu. What was your favorite job? Nangna khwaidagi pamjakiba thabaktu karino. Why do you want to leave your current job? Nangna hujik tawriba thabak adubu karigi thadok ninglibano. What did you hear about us? Nang aikhoigi maramda kari takibage. What do you know about our product? Aikhoigi pothokki maramda kari khangbage. If you were unfairly criticized, what would you do? Karigumba nangi maramda michang nai na ngangna biramagadi nang kari tawrongani. What do you do when there is no work to do? Karigumba thabak laitabakanda nang kari tawi. What do you do when there are too many things to do? Thabak mayam laibakanda nang kari tawi. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up and share it to your friends. Please subscribe and press the notification bell. Coming soon with more videos. Stay tuned.